I'ma turn up on a hater every chance that I get. I don't care if they hurt my risk. I wish I. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite sister girl, Tanya Latrice, and I'm back with another video for y'all today. We have to do something to this head. I put my clip-ins yesterday, and so today we are going to Flexi-Rod these clip-ins on dry hair. I'm going to show y'all how to get the most beautiful bouncy curls that will last you for days. So let's go ahead on, get right into the video. Okay, so y'all remember the last vlog I told y'all I had been using, I've been using Blue Magic. This is the Blue Magic I was talking about, the Indian hemp formula. I'm also gonna put it on some of my leave out just because with the weather being dry outside right now, being winter, you know, my hair just eats up any other little oil unless it's spring, summer, or fall. So I'm just gonna put a little bit, I just put like a little on my hand, and I'm just gonna put it in my leave out because it lays my hair down better. And you know, a lot of the other products just have like a lot of alcohol and things like that in it that leaves our hair dry, and it really doesn't get the proper amount of moisture, at least I feel, for African American hair, baby, especially during the wintertime season. But y'all see it blends in so well, and it looks so good on my leave out, because y'all know these are the clip-ins. And then I'm gonna just go in on my edges with a little bit of this. What is this? While I'm opening it up, talking about a little bit of this. This is the Black Castor Miracle. It's a braid lock twist gel. Oops, it looks like that. So yeah, this is what we're gonna use. And y'all, as you can see, my edges are still pretty much laid from yesterday, but I still have to, you know, just freshen it up, get it back looking good or whatever. So we're gonna just put a little bit, and plus I just like that nice, fresh, crisp look. I don't like when it looks old, so just put a little bit. And then although this side is not showing at all, we're gonna put it over here as well. Like I said, just because we want that nice, crisp look, and that way if you know, the day go progressing, you decide to put your hair in a ponytail, you know, your edges and things like that are already laid. But yeah, but the Flexi-Rods that we will be using today, y'all, for this no heat curl look is just, I have some purple and then the gray ones, and we're also going to be using the Nairobi wrap lotion. Not a lot, because you want your hair to kind of dry real easily. We're gonna go over it a little bit with the blow dryer, but that's about it. So we're gonna just go ahead and start up front. I like to comb it, just make sure it's all neat and everything. And I think I'm gonna keep it kind of big, like big curls. You know, I don't wanna do them too small, because I'm probably just gonna be doing this again in like a couple days. So, and then up front, my hair right here is kind of layered, because when I wear it off to the, when I wear it with the bust down part in the middle, and I like to put it on the ends because you want to make sure that part gets good. And then I just work my way on up to the top like so. And then make sure you comb it out after you put the wrap lotion on there, because you do not want to have, like, you know, any kinks or knots or anything. And how I roll mine, y'all, I start down here at the bottom, okay? And I roll my hair away from my face. So after you wrap it around, after you get it on there, secure it, you gotta just continue to roll your hair like so. And once you get up to the parts that's like shorter, you just want to hold those down there with like your fingers or whatever, Oops. Just want to hold them down there and wrap it. And just keep on wrapping it up. This is gonna give that like that look, that like nice, glamorous, like pin-up girl curl look. That's the look that you're gonna have with when you roll it up like this. So yeah, girl, we're gonna just pretty much do this all over our head. Y'all, whoa. Girl, these Flexi-Rods, I know they have a mind of their own, but I just needed to stay. Cause we're just gonna take these down in like 15 minutes. We're gonna roll this up, hit it with the blow dryer, do our makeup so we could go get pretty, because y'all know it's a little get ready date night, but I'm not gonna do my makeup on camera, just my hair. And yeah, y'all, I'm finna listen to me some trap music, and we're gonna finish rolling up our hair. Let's get it. How about the 16 passenger? This ain't new. Not the challenger.
Maintain that stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet, and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ryan around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the wood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this nigga, it's like getting low.
Yeah. Oh, you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these daddies rope. Before we drift in deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now.
You see that she the one that I would take with. This is how we do it, baby. And alright, just be in my balls, Lord.
Shaking ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know how that go. We only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta. I spend my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever. Say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money. This ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide. I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but we stay good. I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 million pop this. I'm the boss of all the business. I'm the little guy for real. Walk in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind to deal. And I'm right here trying to get. I need extra people trying to get. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 million pop this.
Okay, ladies, so we should be all dry and ready to remove these Flexi-Rods. At least I hope so. I hope that it looks right. So let's see what the curls are giving. Oh, y'all, though, they are so pretty, so bouncy. So let's take these down. Y'all, this is so good for a really quick, glamorous look when you are going on a date night. So hold on. But yeah, like I was saying, this is really cute when you are doing a date night and you don't, want to put any heat on either your hair or your weave, because you know that you can mess your weave up too by putting too much heat on it. So yeah, I know I just got those look Curls Queens clip-ins, and so I'm not trying to ruin them or whatever. So yeah, girl, I just put Flexi-Rods in them anytime I want something really cute and glamorous. So that's what we got going on here. But I could tell y'all right now, my hair is fully dry. It is very soft and bouncy. And I think these curls are probably gonna last, I would say probably about 2 or 3 days, and then you may have to roll them up again, use Flexi-Rod your hair or whatever. So and of course you can do this on your hair as well. It may not give the same result, obviously, but yeah, you could do this on your hair as well. Let me see here. Y'all, they are making some cute bouncy. Oh, that's in my eye. That's in my eye. Oh, that's my eye. Hold on, that's my eye. That's my eye. Whew. Okay. And let's see the last one here. All right, so this is what it looks like down. Of course, y'all saw we did not run our fingers through it or anything like that. This is the back and what that looks like, and obviously the side. So, and you can just kind of rock it like this, or you can just run your fingers on through them, you know, to let all your curls kind of gather up together. I love this, y'all. I call this my favorite faucet, honey. Yes. Oh, something got in my eye, y'all. But yes, y'all, this is the finished result. This is what it looks like. So if you want to, you know, like I said, get some really nice curls, because you know you cannot do this to your hair if you use some curlers. So if you just want some curls that's gonna last, like I said, maybe you going on a date night, you then got your little spend the night bag, and you know you ain't gonna be able to do your hair the next day, y'all. Get into it. Do this style right here. Use some Flexi-Rod, sis. It is going to give you the same, I would think, even better results when it comes to the curls. And as you can see, they just kind of go right back into place and everything like that as well. But yeah, y'all, I love it, and I am ready for my day, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this really cute quick Flexi-Rod style down in the comment section below. Until the next video, I'll see y'all later.